everybody, Gina DeLuca here. Today I'm going to be doing some product testing. I have the Vivid PolyPour by ColourArte. I'm using this as a pouring medium today. And the colors I'm using are Liquitex Basics, Cadmium Yellow Light Hue, Quinacridone Magenta, and Pthalo Blue, and also the Titanium White. I've mixed these 1 part paint to 1 part PolyPour, and then I have thinned these paints with the acrylic extender, the ArteFluid, also by ColourArte. The consistency that I am going for, I want it to form a bit of a mound and then disappear. That is what I'm going for this particular pour. I will be doing a traveling ring pour, wandering ring pour, whatever you want to call it. This is an 8x10 canvas. This would need about 3 ounces of paint to cover. Always check your consistencies before you pour because they do thicken upon standing, particularly when you are using a genuine pouring medium as opposed to like Floetrol. Okay, I'm going to put my paint in the cup and then I'm going to put down my base coat. So I'm doing a bit of white. The blue. I will do magenta next. White. Yellow. So you'll see the way I'm putting these colors in is 2 colors together separated by white, but alternating in the same order. Blue, red, yellow, but separating. Let's put down some of this base coat so this paint can slide easily. Let's not waste any time. Real pouring mediums do set up much quicker than Floetrol. But you know what? Before I do that, I've got to pop these bubbles, or they will pop through on my pour. When you get to the end, you want to get a little closer and a lot slower. Bubbles. If you have bubbles in your paint, that will cause cells. Just remember to recenter your paint before you change directions. That will help you keep your composition. Okay, I'm going to clean up and I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay, here it is. The separation in the rings is very nice. And the coverage on the sides is fantastic. It's keeping those rings very nicely. That's always something I look out for when I'm testing a pouring medium. So we will see how this dries. I will show it in the next video. I'm actually going to be testing a flip cup as well. So we will see how that goes. And I will show both dried paintings at the end of that one. So, all right, you guys. I hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Do check out the description box below for links to my PayPal tip jar if you feel so inclined. Help me stay stocked up in supplies to keep bringing you the fresh content. My Amazon store, anything that you purchase off the entire site of Amazon, I will receive a small commission of at no additional cost to you. There will be some ColourArte starter packs in my Amazon store if you wanted to try this stuff out. Also, my website, GinaDeLuca.net, that is where you can purchase my music or my artwork. And go make some art. Join us over there on Facebook. Post your masterpieces. Ask your questions. Get some inspiration. And I think that's it. I do believe. All right, you guys, that's it for me. I hope you have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.